If you design with Sketch, you need to try out Runner. With Runner, you can quickly perform many actions by searching for them through typing. Actions that otherwise take you several clicks or often require you to find your way through nested menus. So, stop thinking about where to go and click to achieve what you want, and save precious time throughout your workday. Runner is here to assist you in getting things done with ease. The fastest way to insert symbols is by searching for them. Whether they're in your local document or in one of the many libraries you've got set up, you can add a symbol to the canvas or replace an existing layer. Working with lots of nested symbols means dealing with overrides. We added the power of Runner Search to the inspector, so you can now pop up Writer and instantly override a nested symbol or style just by typing. Navigate through your document using GoTo. Find pages, artboards or symbol masters by name and quickly jump there. And access all your shared styles with Apply. Search for a text or layer style and apply it to your selection. It will save the day when working with extensive and well-organized documents. Runbar is your new mini utility toolbar. Quickly access recently visited artboards and hide some of the interface of Sketch. The more space you have to design, the better you can focus on your work. Jump anywhere in your document with the collapsed artboard view of Jump Bar, and easily go back to the previous artboard using the back button. And lastly, set up the actions bar to your liking, so you always have your frequently used Sketch and plugin actions at hand. Runner is also the way to browse and install hundreds of powerful plugins. Plugins are great for automating manual tasks that your computer is much better at than us humans are. It's allowing you to spend your time and energy on what matters, making a great design. Try all the features now with the 14-day free trial. Get the plugin at sketchrunner.com.